You know, I just love this time of year when we have the ability to actually look back and see all the amazing things we have done to make this community a better place. 2023 was such an incredible year, and we cannot believe it's already over. Let us take a moment to recap some of the top highlights from this past year. The Medi-Cal Navigators project restarted in 2023 after being dormant in Madera County in 2022. The department received a grant for outreach, enrollment, and retention efforts with a focus on ensuring eligible Medi-Cal beneficiaries remain in the program after the end of the public health emergency. As part of the outreach, the Navigators advertised on several billboards around Madera County and attended 98 outreach events and had 8 presentations with CBOs in 2023. Our department elected to submit a grant application for a program designed to bridge the digital divide of low-income seniors and dependent adults. We were awarded the funding, and the new program was introduced in 2023, referred to as Access to Technology. The program kicked off in January with education on how to use electronic devices and cyber safety trainings. The department had originally estimated that 70 electronic devices would be afforded through the grant. However, due to outstanding outreach by the Adult Services Division and the support of administration, including IT and analysts, we were able to expand this allotment to 113 tablets. Within a 6-month time span, 91 devices were handed out and 22 are pending pickup. Congratulations to the ASD and administration team. In late 2022, federal legislation was passed to roll back certain special provisions for public assistance programs during the pandemic. The resumption of Medi-Cal renewals began in April, and staff have processed thousands of redeterminations each month to ensure beneficiaries remained covered. Thanks to our incredible team, we were one of 28 counties that processed 90% or more of June's redeterminations. Keep up the good work. The DSS Welfare to Work Housing Team participated in the 2023 Madera Continuum of Care Homeless Point-in-Time Count, or PIT for short. The PIT is a snapshot of the homeless population nationwide on a night selected by the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development. In the course of that night, volunteers conduct a visual count of unsheltered people, and in the days that follow, survey the homeless community to collect demographic information. This year, some of our Welfare to Work staff volunteered for the count and survey. Additionally, Madera County Board of Supervisors approved the county's strategic plan to end homelessness. DSS was involved in the formation of the plan, and there are currently several members of the management team assigned to implementation plan work groups. Thank you to the staff for their participation and contribution to this critical project. Our department began collaborating with Madera County Superintendent of Schools and with school districts late last year to provide employment opportunities for youth. We are happy to announce that the department employed 14 student assistants in 2023. We thank the staff for going the extra mile to help these student employees learn and grow. Department staff supported various awareness days throughout the year. Thank you to the staff for their continued support and participation of various awareness campaigns, such as wearing teal for suicide prevention awareness, wearing blue for Human Trafficking Awareness Day, wearing purple for World Elder Abuse Awareness Month, and wearing jeans for Denim Day to raise awareness for sexual assault. The department acknowledged and held staff appreciation events throughout the year. Each event or gathering was a time to show appreciation for the hardworking staff we have at DSS. The memories captured by the number of pictures taken were heartwarming. We want to thank the management team for their efforts in acknowledging staff. The department participated in several outreach activities this past year. April is Child Abuse Awareness Month. The department helped raise awareness by participating in the Pinwheels for Prevention campaign. Staff displayed the blue pinwheels on the main campus. In June, the Adult Services team were hard at work preparing for the Elder Abuse Awareness Month. In addition to presenting to the Board of Supervisors, they hosted its first annual senior social at Madera Rotary Park. This successful event had breakfast, bingo, and raffle prizes for the attending seniors. The event concluded with staff and attendees enjoying good music and getting together on the dance floor for a morning of dancing. This was a fantastic event, and we look forward to hosting again next year. In an effort to increase awareness of DSS services, the Department of Social Services hosted its first Oakhurst Wellness Festival. The festival had a bounce house, face painting, free food boxes, and raffle prizes. Many of our county partners and community-based organizations participated in the Wellness Festival, distributing information and making referrals for services. The highlight was Narcan distribution and hearing from speakers Dr. Simon Paul and Board Supervisor Robert McCulley. We have accomplished so much together this past year. Thanks for taking this look back at an incredible year. None of it would have been possible without your hard work. You are the ones who selflessly work for the very well-being of our community, and you're doing an amazing job. The Department of Social Services executive team would like to thank you for your commitment and your dedication to making the county a better place for all who live here. As always, if you have any questions about today's episode, or if you have suggestions for future episodes, you can direct those to the DSS Media Studio mailbox. Tune in next month for another episode of Inside Track. For the DSS Media team, I'm Ashley Monk, wishing you an awesome 2024.